I don't know about you, but I love salad, all kinds of salad, and I love to put proteins in salads and cheeses. Cheese is kind of a problem for me because I like it so much. So I wanted to teach you all a Mediterranean salad. At least that's what I'm calling it. You can call it as you want. It's kind of like a chopped salad. Let's just jump right in and make the vinaigrette. We're going to start with a little bit of dried oregano, some powdered or ground garlic. Same thing, but onion. Throw in a little bit of red wine vinegar. Nothing fancy. Let's add a tiny bit of water to soften this because I'm gonna add another acid, which is lemon juice, and I don't want it to be too strong. So I always soften my vinaigrettes with just a little bit of water. It really is my friend when making vinaigrettes. The lemon juice, I always do fresh squeezed because we are making a beautiful salad and everything just has to be so fresh. And then finally, some oil. Now, I don't recommend you using any very fancy oils for this. A good vegetable oil, I love having sunflower oil around, avocado oil, grapeseed oil. You can do olive, but I wouldn't recommend an extra virgin olive oil at all for this vinaigrette. You want something nice and soft and delicate. Make sure you remember the salt. It's really important to add salt to your vinaigrette. And then I love a little bit of black pepper. Nice and fresh ground, just have some toasted black pepper in a grinder. And there you have it. So there's our vinaigrette, and we're gonna build the salad in this bowl, like I said. So for the greens, the crunchy stuff, we have some arugula and some radicchio. Radicchio is a beautiful bitter. All right, for the fun stuff, I've got some diced provolone. I have some little grape tomatoes. I've got my favorite olive. This is called a Castelvetrano olive. It's nice and briny without too much flavor. Cucumbers diced up. I kept the peel on because why not? This is a fun mixed Mediterranean salad. Keep it rustic. I've got some of my favorite salami, and you can cut that up in any style or shape that you like. And then finally, shavings of Parmesan. Let's go ahead and mix our salad. And what I love is that you have all kinds of textures and flavors, levels of saltiness, a little touch of bitterness with this radicchio. And of course, you know, the cheeses make it kind of rich. And let's serve this beautiful Mediterranean salad. And there we have it, a gorgeous Mediterranean salad for you and the family.